Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Terrain battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety glasses. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. Safety is paramount, so wear your protective eyewear throughout the process. We'll start by disconnecting the negative terminal, which is crucial for preventing any accidental electrical issues. After the negative cable is off, proceed to remove the battery hold-down clamp. This usually involves a bolt or a simple latch mechanism. Next, disconnect the positive battery cable, taking extra care not to let the wrench touch any metal parts of the car. Batteries are heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs and use proper technique to avoid injury. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. A clean surface ensures good electrical contact. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flat and securely. Now, connect the positive battery cable first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative cable, ensuring both connections are snug and secure. With both cables connected, reinstall and tighten the battery hold-down clamp. This prevents the battery from shifting during driving, which could damage the terminals. For added protection, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your GMC Terrain to ensure everything is working as expected. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.